Are you thinking of downsizing, but you're unsure how to financially make that transition from your current home to your next? For downsizing sellers, this is the biggest concern when they first start talking to us. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach, and I specialize in helping downsize out of your current home and into the right size new home on the main line, PA. A lot of sellers on the main line have assets tied up in their current home. They typically either have a very small mortgage or no mortgage at all. If they are looking to buy another home, a lot of times their biggest concern is how to financially manage that transition from their current home onto the next. One way to transition would be just the traditional route of getting a mortgage for the new home. However, if you're retired and on a fixed income, you may not have that down payment in readily available cash or enough monthly income to qualify. Fortunately, there are other financing options available. So a great option for sellers with a lot of equity in their current home would be using a bridge loan. We've always felt that this loan was perfect for the certain sellers. There is very little upfront cost for the loan, but the big advantage is that there are no down payments due for 6 months. And with the bridge, you can access up to 75% of your home's equity. So let's say your home is now worth $800,000 and you have a small mortgage of $65,000. We would take $800,000 times 75%, which would be $600,000. And now minus your mortgage balance of $65K. That leaves you with a maximum bridge loan of $535,000. And you can now take those funds and purchase a new home or condo without having to sell your current home first. Overall, it's a pretty easy process from start to finish. It's not like a typical mortgage application. The lender doesn't care about your credit score or the income and your ability to pay. The loan is based on your home and the equity in it. It's a great tool for sellers who have the most of their money tied up in their current home. If you would like more detailed information or just have a few questions, send me a message or click on the link below for a free seller's guide. We can take this next step together. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.